Right now we are at Rambabu Parathe Wala. This shop was established in 1930, so it has almost been 87 years that this shop has been in operation. So let's get inside and check the food.
Yeah, let's go.
How we do it in Uttar Pradesh is slightly different because this is the Braj area. So we
Okay.
use a lot of ghee in the preparation.
Yeah.
In other places you might not find that. So we actually dip it inside ghee to fry it.
Yeah, it's like a pan-fried paratha.
So they have a lot of varieties of paratha. They have almost around 26 kinds of parathas. And for the new audience, they have also have something like Maggi paratha, chocolate paratha,
Chocolate-
anar
chocolate paratha?
chocolate paratha. Yeah.
That's paneer, green peas, potatoes, onion, all different spices.
Just look at the quantity of ghee that they have.
Yeah. I personally like ghee. I love ghee. Compared to butter, I like ghee.
It's much more healthy. I mean,
healthy.
recently the tradition is shifting again.
Yeah. The pan which you see is like 60 kilogram. This pan. और मेरे को लगता है कि इतना मोटा है कि धीमी आंच तो पकता रहता होगा वो, इसलिए
उतने घी लगेगा, जितना दाल होगा उतने सिकेगा बस।
बिल्कुल
बाकी छोड़ देगा।
ये फ़र्क है। नहीं, ये कहते हैं ना, कढ़ाई भी मोटी होनी चाहिए और तवा भी मोटा होना चाहिए, वरना वरना रोटी जल जाती है पतली तवे पे और सब्ज़ी अच्छी नहीं बनती, इसलिए वैसे ही ये भी है। So they have two outlets in Agra. This is the new one.
This is the new one. Yes. This is also the one which is on the Delhi Agra road in
Okay.
S2.
That's the Maggi paratha. पहले इसमें चीज़ है स्टफ और चीज़ के ऊपर हमने घी डाल दिया। कितना घी है? ये 100 ग्राम डालते हैं घी एक में? 100 में पड़ता है एक पराठे में। So that's the aloo matar sabji,
Yes.
which we saw the preparation out there.
True.
Then we have curry, that's with paneer, then guar phali and coriander. Then we have sitafal, kashi phal.
Kashi
That's
phal, pumpkin.
Pumpkin. That's a sweet pumpkin. Then we have tamarind sauce and pickles. Here comes the paratha. So I've never tried Maggi paratha. I've tried Maggi samosa. That's first time trying. Oh, that's the noodles. And then they have added some vegetables as well. Like they have green peas, the spices.
I think there are also some chopped carrots.
Yeah, chopped carrots as well. And then here you have mixed vegetable paratha.
Yes.
That's it again with loads of vegetables. We have green peas, carrot, paneer, onion, potatoes, all mixed together. That's a very traditional paratha.
And it's so crisp that you can hear it crackle.
Yeah. Wow,
Likes it.
it's delicious. I think they have added more spices in the Maggi.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have added some more masala. I think it will go well with the salt. It's super delicious. It's super crunchy,
Very crunchy.
very crunchy, and it's perfectly fried. If you see it, all the layers, even from inside, it's deep fried. This is quite unique. And that Maggi paratha. There's loads of noodles inside it. They've added grated cheese. This place reminds me of Ahmedabad.
Wow.
In Ahmedabad, everything was topped with cheese. That too grated cheese. And then you have melted cheese as well. Oh, and it's stuffed with pasta. For me, it's like a pizza.
It's like a cheese burst.
It's a cheese burst pizza.
It's like a farmhouse cheese burst with thin crust,
Yeah.
which Domino's does not make.
I think it tastes better on its own. You don't need any. Yeah, you don't need anything with it. The spices, the pasta. Okay, see, there's the pasta.
Maybe some oregano would be good.
Yeah, there's the pasta and chili flakes. It's super yum, super delicious. You can see like how people are innovating in our local food culture as well. Like our food culture is so evolving over the years. The shop started 9:30. They started with one flavor that they have like aloo paratha, and now they have 32 different kinds of paratha. And recently they have added few more, and they're planning to add 36 more different varieties.
They plan to grow up till 170.
170. In fact, in the menu they have apple paratha, they have pomegranate paratha, they have chocolate paratha. There's so many different varieties of paratha there. Maybe next time when we come, we'll try other new varieties of paratha.
So अभी क्या है आगरा में बहुत सारा यूथ है. So these are the kind of chai tapris which are opening up.
Okay.
This is a special kind of tea which is called tandoori tea.
It looks quite fancy.
Yeah. Come, let me show you around. So what he does is ये कुल्हड़ के हैं इनको एकदम तंदूर एकदम गरम कर देता है.
अच्छा.
And then he pours in which is pre-made tea. इसके अंदर मिल्क टी होता है उसके अंदर पोर करते हैं तो एकदम खौलती हुई गर्म होती है उसमें एक अच्छा सा फ्लेवर आता है. And that's why it's called tandoori tea. So now you will see the process.
मतलब नॉर्मल चाय को गरम कुल्हड़ में डाल देते हैं और वो तंदूरी चाय है.
और वो एकदम बॉईल हो जाती है क्योंकि कुल्हड़ एकदम गर्म हो जाता है
अच्छा.
तो उसके अंदर एकदम बॉईल होती जाती है और कुल्हड़ का जो एसेंस है फ्लेवर वो काफ़ी उसके अंदर चला जाता
तो मिट्टी की खुशबू है.
है. मिट्टी की खुशबू है हाँ आप ऐसे कह सकते हो.
That's very nice. Like I've never tried tandoori chai. It's the first time I'm going to try it out. That's our tandoori chai.
Yes, cheers.
Cheers. It's a very sweet chai.
It's sweet,
Very sweet.
but the flavor is quite different from all other teas. That's what I find.
Yeah. You get a very nice flavor of cardamom and ginger in it, but the tea is really super sweet. But that's how the locals like it.
I guess so.
It was really a sweet cup of chai for me.
Yes, and innovative too.
Yeah, innovative too.